Natural farming using IMO. Inoculated deep litter system is a system that uses natural method to raise pigs. We spray IMO to control smell in a deep litter like this one. The advantage is that we don't wash this pen every day. We only cover the waste with a dry material which is sprayed with IMO. IMO makes the system to be clean with no smell or flies. Using IMO is an advantage to most farmers because pigs can be able to grow without any hindrance and in a natural way or technique. Welcome to natural farming.